Want to make money while you sleep? There's a tool most beginners ignore, but the smart ones use it to build email lists, sell products, and grow their income automatically. Let me show you how. Autoresponders aren't just for big businesses. Set one up once, and it'll follow up with leads, send freebies, and even answer customer questions for you. Here's exactly how to profit from it. Step 1. Capture leads, even without a website. First, get people on your list. Add a sign-up form to your site. Every visitor could be a future customer. No website? No problem. Just give away a free report or ebook. Have people email your autoresponder to get it, and boom, instant client list. Step 2. Turn subscribers into buyers. Now automate your sales. Send a free email course, then pitch a paid product later. People trust you more after getting value first. Autoresponders handle all of this. No daily work needed. Step 3. Multiply your reach for free. Want more subscribers? Ask your list to forward your emails. One person shares, and suddenly you're reaching their friends. Start small, and watch your list grow fast. Step 4. Save time on customer support. Tired of answering the same questions? Load your autoresponder with FAQs. Customers get instant help, and you save hours. Happy customers equal more repeat sales. Step 5. Keep customers coming back. Update your list whenever you add something new. A quick broadcast email brings customers back to your site and puts money in your pocket. Autoresponders work while you're busy, sleeping, or even on vacation. The best part? You can start today. I've linked my top-rated autoresponder below. It's the one I use to grow my business. Try it and see how fast your income changes.